This video, I'll show you how to insert signature in PDF document. To get started, go ahead and open I Love PDF into your browser. This tool can help you insert things into your PDF. This is a website that you can access using any device that you have available. From here, go ahead and select Sign PDF. Now go ahead and select PDF file from your local files and click on the PDF file to where you want to insert your signature to. Click on that insert button at the top right of your screen to upload your file, and in here you'll need to select who will sign the document. Now, as you can see in here, you can enter your full name here and select from the available font styles. You can also draw your own signature by clicking on this second section at the left side. So this will allow you to simply draw your signature using this available colors that you can find at the bottom of this drawing screen. Simply draw your signature into this box to be able to apply that or upload that into your file. So simply draw that and click on that apply button. Now, once you apply that, you'll find that at the right side of your screen under signing options. So what you'll need to do to insert that into your file is to drag that signature into your file. So simply drag the signature into your file, click on the right side of your screen where you can find the signature and drag that to your file. So as you can see, you can place it wherever on the file, and after you place that on the right position, you can simply click on that sign button at the bottom right of your screen and your PDF is available with your signature. And that's basically how you can insert signature in PDF document. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.